What's up, IT Ninjas? Today we're going to take a look at installing Intuit QuickBooks Database Server Manager on your Windows PC or server. But before we dive in, hit the like and subscribe button if you have not done so yet. Just takes a second, it really helps out the channel. QuickBooks Database Server Manager is a component you will need to install if you have your company files on a server or network share and require multiple users to access the data with QuickBooks, also referred to as multi-user mode. The first thing we'll do is go to downloads.quickbooks.com and download the installer. And I'll put this link in the description. Select your country. Select your product. If you're unsure of your version, log into your QuickBooks web account or open any installed QuickBooks desktop application in your environment and press F2 to get the on-screen information. We'll select Desktop Premier and the latest version. Click Search. We will download this version of QuickBooks. The total install package is about 1 gig. Next, on our server, we will run the executable, open the QuickBooks license agreement. You can close the web browser with the general terms information. Check Accept the terms and click Continue. Enter your license number and product number. You can locate this from your purchase order, web account, or pressing F2 on any installed QuickBooks application in your environment. Click Next. Choose Custom and Network options. You can click on Explain these options in detail to get more information. In this example, we are only installing the QuickBooks Database Server Manager and not the full application for use. Select I will not be using QuickBooks Desktop on this computer. I recommend leaving the install location default. Click Next. On the Ready to Install step, click Install. After the installation is complete message, search for the QuickBooks Database Server Manager to open the app. Click Browse and navigate to the local folder or folders where you have your QuickBooks company data files stored. Click Start Scan, click OK on the share warning. After some time, depending on the number of scanned folders, you should see the status completed and network diagnostics successful. I highly recommend you open the services and review the QuickBooks Monitor service and QuickBooks Database service. Set both from manual to automatic. Thanks for watching and hit the like and subscribe button. Check out some of our other QuickBooks guides and fixes and let me know if this information was helpful installing QuickBooks Database Server Manager in the comments. See you in the next video and let's Ninja fix it.